Okay, so this video is based on another one where I explain stuff, but here I don't want to explain, I just want to see and experiment. So what I will do is that I will use this webcam, put it at some place of my body to check if we can track some sound with a stupid webcam. And if we can, it means that with a better microphone, we could track them better and more. But yeah, so I don't speak on this video. If you want to watch it explain, go at the other one. Let's go. Okay, so now what I will try to do. Now what I will try to do is move my teeth, my tongue around my teeth, and clap my teeth. Now I will put the webcam. It should go. If I want to do a prototype, put it. Okay. Ah non, ça marche pas, c'est bien. Okay. So now what I want to try is, can I hear my teeth or my tongue? Okay, so suppose my teeth hitting each other. Okay, very, very gently on the start and high on the end. So let's see now for my buzzer sound. No, you can hear when I beatbox is really working well. La, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Fa, fa. J'adore ça. J'adore à quel point c'est débile quand tu fais do, ré, mi, fa, si, do. Bon, ça peut être. Ok, bon, my turn. Yeah, but that's great. So the sound you hear was my tongue on my teeth. But the problem is that it will break my teeth every time. So it's not a good idea to do what I was doing. Okay, so if I have my mouth that is open and I do, I'm not sure that is the real mic. So I will try to be able to see if the sound is from outside or from encore. That's funny because I have the impression that I can see the difference between my breathing from my mouth and breathing from my nose. So let's try. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, or maybe not on your screen, when I uh, when I try to take air from my nose, it's going on the up. If I try to breathe by my mouth, it's more large and more. So maybe there is something to do with that. just to check. Okay, so this video is about the mouse, the head. I think I have everything because technically I try to have that here, like this, because it allows me to track if I'm blinking. Yeah. You see? But that's not a good idea because, yeah, if you want to do an application for someone that is totally polarized, for why not? But the problem is that nobody will accept to have something that go from there to there, and blinking is more about this part that making sound, that the inside part making sound. So yeah, you can tack on the truck. You can use your teeth, you can use a breeze, you can use your nose, and you can use some this maybe if you do a complex detection. Not sure we can do a lot more, but the idea is that there is sound of the muscle like this that I would like to be able to track. And I'm not sure if I put a stereoscope and an AI, would I be able to track it? And if I need one, okay. But if I need two, it's an eventuality. For example, you put a plastic stuff here that go on the side here, and that listen to your muscle and your skeleton and try to guess the sound of your muscle. If it was possible, it would be really amazing. But I'm sure that I can translate those action, tease, bone, and stuff like that in action on my program just by having a mic somewhere here or something like that that is on your body. But I'm not sure I will be able to track the muscle, at least not with a webcam. Okay, so next part is about other part of the body that I did not try yet. So let's go.